Welcome YouTube, this is the Velvet Locks with a new video. Now if you're looking at me and I look a little strange, yes, I am going to be applying my new false extension lashes. Now I'm so used to doing the strip lashes, I've always wanted to learn how to do the individual lashes, so that's what I'll be doing today. And so far, I've already done one eye. Okay, now this is my first time doing it, so it may not look 100% professional, but the whole idea is to get perfect afterwards so that I don't have to keep putting on those strips every single day that I want to wear my lashes. So at least this way I will have lashes on when I wake up. Okay, so we're gonna start this tutorial. Now, what I did was, like you see, I've already done half of my face. What you're gonna do is this. This is a 4-pack. This is a value pack that I picked up from my local beauty supply store, and it's the NV Kit by Kiss, NB by Kiss, and it's a 4-pack value pack. And I paid $9.99 for it. I don't know exactly what the going rate is for one. So this is one that I've already started. Okay, and I've used 2.5 rows on one eye. All right, now I'm also using the NV glue. It's a clear glue. It's supposed to be very strong, long lasting, odor free, okay, and easy to use, and it's strong adhesive, and that's what I need, something that's going to last more than one day. All right, so what I've been doing is I've been dabbing a little bit, just a dab, because this glue really dries very fast, so I just use a dab. All right, then I have my trusty cute tweezer, and the whole object is to carefully take the hair out of the tray without damaging it. So it's easy to come off. I wish I could really show you a close-up how to take it off, and I gotta find out. Okay, there we go. All right, now the best thing is to start at the corner. And I'm going to try to get this one as close to show you, but you try to get it as close to the corner, and you go underneath your eye rim. Okay, and you just dab it in there, hold it down for a few seconds, okay, and then you let go. And I don't think you can actually see that one, okay, but we're going to continue. Okay, and then what I usually do is I usually take it off carefully, turn it around, dab it in the tip in the glue, and then place it right underneath your lash line. You hold it down for a little bit, and then that's it. All right, put it in your lash line, and that's it. It is so easy. I don't know what took me so long to actually try this, but I like it, and it's a 1, 2, 3, easy to do. My only problem is glasses. Okay, it's hard to see when you wear glasses. Find a little position, pop it on there, let it sit, and let it dry, and that's it. Okay, and that's it. So I'm going to do it a few more times on camera to show you, to go over it again. And I really wish that I'm able to do a better job actually showing you, or you seeing exactly how this is applied. It's just so awkward trying to film it and do it at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this as close as possible. Without it actually being very awkward. Alright, you guys. But like I said, what you're trying to do is get your lashes right underneath that lash line. Okay? Once you dab it in the glue, you have to try to work it underneath that lash line. Okay? I'm trying to, hoping you guys can see it as clear as possible. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to bring you in a little closer so you can actually hopefully get an idea of how it's supposed to look. Now I'm going to finish up and I'll come right back. Okay. Okay, you guys, so that is it. Okay. This is how I apply my new false eyelashes, and it's so simple, it's so easy. And yes, one tray did 2 eyes, all right? And it's 1.5 that I used on each eye, and I like it. And I know once I master this, oh, you cannot tell me nothing. All right, my only recommendation doing this with applying you know, extensions would be to use, say, like the glue that you would use for your hair when you're doing weaves and glue-ins. That's the glue that I recommend. It's the black one, and when it dries, it's going to dry black, because the only problem that I see with this is that it dries white, which is okay, but I recommend that if you're going to use false eyelashes, use the black glue, because this one dries clear and you kind of see a little residue from it. But for the most part, I like. All right. So if you have any questions, list them down below. And yes, so simple, so easy, applying false eyelash extensions. Love it. All right, you guys, that's it for this tutorial this morning. If you have any questions regarding how to apply it, leave them down below, because now I know. And they are so easy. So easy. Easy. All right. Thank you for joining me on this video. And don't forget to turn your notifications on for this channel. Like, comment, and thumbs up this video. All right. And I'll see you in the next one.